Evidence-based management. Getting things done through people may not be as easy as it may sound, especially when you want them to listen to your ideas and opinions. When the stakes are high, you can't simply tell people your way is the best way without solid information to back it up. If you have experienced this before, then you need to know about the importance of evidence-based management. What is evidence-based management? Put simply, evidence-based management is making sure you back up your ideas grounded on careful review and analysis of authoritative sources. An authoritative source is something that is reliable and trustworthy. Its authority or authenticity is widely recognized by experts in the field. Some examples of such sources are like The Economist, The Financial Times, reports from the United Nations, legal and professional bodies, high-quality A-grade academic research papers, people with good reputation in their field, TED Talks and so on. In essence, using evidence-based sources is a bit like being a lawyer in a courtroom making his or her case. Example 1. The boss asked two of his staff what they think about the recent decline in sales performance. Jane replies that it is due to fierce competition in the industry. Tom, on the other hand, supports his views by citing the latest study he read from The Economist about industry maturity, and shares what he learned from a recent workshop he attended at a professional association on possible remedies companies can take to reinvent themselves. Example 2. Two candidates are being interviewed for a promotion. One shares his commitment to the organization given his long years of service, how much he loves his job. The other makes his case by sharing some of the milestones he has achieved given the various roles he has performed over the past 2 to 3 years. He also provides an analysis of the challenges the company will be facing in the immediate future using charts and figures from internal company performance data and industry trends, and suggests some strategies to better deal with them. Example 3. Bobo is in a departmental meeting when suddenly one of the directors asks her for her opinion. She reflects for a moment and responds by making reference to a recent survey done by a competitor about a similar situation. She also makes a connection to the department's overall strategy and how it has been aligned to the overall direction for the company. Why is it important? Having your evidence ready requires effort. It is not just a matter of citing references and sources left, right and center. The key is doing your homework on this by having an intimate understanding of the content of these authoritative sources. Only then can you use them to maximum effort to persuade others for the need for change. Exercise. How to practice and apply it? Think of a topic you were asked to present in front of your supervisor or work team. Gather your facts and evidence from authoritative sources. Read them carefully and then plot your storytelling to make your case.